Hellscream Entertainment actually consists of 2 differently located haunts. We've got the Hellscream Haunted House proper, that's where we're at tonight. And then they've also got Fear Complex, which is about 10 minutes up the road. We're gonna be going there soon too. And we are gonna take you inside to see if we can get some scares. Joining up with us tonight, we've got Stevi and Shane from Team Creepy Clowns. They're actually from Tennessee, and it just so happened that we all got to meet up here in Colorado together. We've never been here before. We've actually never even been to Colorado before. We've got several videos coming out here from the Denver area, so definitely check out those while you're here. We've got no idea what to expect out of any of these guys, so without further ado, let's jump in there and see if we can get some scares.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
There. Thank you. Oh, it's dark and creepy in here. Uh-oh. Oh, Lord. There's something there.
On the ground. Oh my.
There's also an arrow there.
I grant you the gift of eternal beauty for the simple cost of your life.
Okay. Whoa, where did that one come from?
You want to play hide and seek, Max?
No, I do not. I don't think so.
I think they'd probably win.
Oh, son of a... Yeah. Well, we were trying not to play hide and seek. Oh. Ooh, he's clicking.
That click is fierce. Oh, man.
Do you want to play again?
I don't know.
No,
Tag if you want.
I'm gonna pass.
Tag? I don't think we'd be good at that either. Oh, good God.
And that wasn't enough of a head start.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Look at this lovely dining room. I got.
Ugh.
Everybody wants to sit and eat that, right?
Oh.
I don't know if I trust it.
Yep, I don't trust it a bit.
Oh, look at that. The window's on the floor.
That's pretty cool.
Whoa, it's a
Oh,
sideways
we're on
room.
the sideways.
Instead of like an upside down room. That's freaking awesome.
Oh, he's
Oh,
spitting
Oh,
wet.
shit. Oh,
Spitting
that,
wet.
that thing is eating that thing's brains.
Watch your head.
Whoa, watch your head.
Whoa.
Oh, what in the world?
We are in a kitchen or some sort of kitchen.
Jeez.
Easy.
Wow.
They're so mad.
You're the best. We've been waiting.
Uh-oh. I don't know what to say to that.
Again. Whoa.
How do you get in here?
Magic? Oh, can we have some magic?
Magic.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still her. Still the What in the hell?
What is that?
Vacuum cleaner tried to suck us up.
Evil vacuum.
It's an evil vacuum.
Evil vacuum.
Woo! That's so cool.
It's a Roomba.
Look out for the auric.
Oh, I remember you.
Yeah.
Fancy meeting you.
I know. Oh! Yeah! What is that? Whoa!
What is
Whoa!
We've been down games all night. I'm on a
Don't
dead
play with
letter
that.
word.
Did you play with
It starts
that?
with a K and ends with a K. And I'm thinking it's Kill Street.
Oh, what is this thing behind me? Very good time. Oh, come on. Oh, shit.
Shit.
Good God. Oh, what is that?
Nope.
Oh,
Man.
What's wrong, honey? You look so uncomfortable.
No, I'm fine.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm just making myself at home. Oh, God. That was great.
Oh, come on. Ready?
No, I ain't going in there with you.
Oh my.
Your grandmother has a message. Oh,
yeah?
shit. What is
What's the
it?
message?
Oh my God.
Wow.
She said your grandma wants you to join her. What in the world?
Hiya. Welcome in. Have you come to join us for dancing?
Yes.
That's a vampire.
It'll be fun.
She's got fangs. That doesn't look good at all.
Don't be shy.
Wow, look at
I'm
this
just
freaking
asking
ball.
for a little
Wow.
dance. Is it gonna be you? Are you gonna come and dance?
I'm not a very good dancer.
Oh, come on, it'll be fun.
I thought you were
Oh,
gonna
look at
teach
this.
us.
I can teach you.
What is going on up there?
No. They're dancing in there.
They
They are dancing in there.
Quite magnificent.
Son of a bitch. Wow, this is really cool.
Whoa.
Holy cow. I don't know. I feel like you're having insatiable love for blood.
Masquerade.
Oh, yeah, they're really getting with it. Wow. That is really awesome. Jesus, that one's real. Oh, they get very close.
That is cool.
This one dance.
Wow. Oh, that one's in the piano.
Wow.
Oh, goodness. That is, oh.
That is cool.
I know.
I like that a lot.
Oh my.
Okay.
Now we're going down.
Going down some stairs.
Go down the stairs.
Oh, God, there's something in the door.
Wow.
Oh. And there's, oh.
Uh-oh.
It smells like candles down here.
Yeah,
Does,
it's like
big
candles.
time.
Whoa.
Like, awesome.
The brick facade is really cool.
Oh, down in the basement.
Down into the basement.
Where did it go? It was here and then it's gone.
It's gone.
Oh, she doesn't. Oh,
Shit.
oh, now. They're both alive.
She came running at us.
Yes, she did.
Oh, they're got
Boiler.
some.
It's a big boiler.
No, they're brewing
Oh, what
wine
oh,
or
look at
whiskey or
that.
something. They got a brewery.
It's actually got water in
Yeah,
it too.
that is
wow.
crazy.
Wow.
The
They're in the
barrels.
wine cellar.
Okay, we're coming. But, oh,
What
God,
is
she's back
going
there.
on back
Oh,
here?
the slider. Oh, 1877. It looks like it's been there a
Wow.
minute.
Yeah.
I'll drink from your skull.
What are you doing up there?
He's way up there. Hey, hello. Hi.
We're in a wine cellar, I think.
Oh,
Ooh.
thank you.
Look like some tasty bags of blood, if I say so
Well,
myself. And just in time.
Uh-oh, for what?
Some of my bottles are running dangerously low.
Uh-oh.
And I could use some charitable souls like yourself to donate.
I don't think we're as charitable as you think we are.
It's a quick process. I know my business, right? Get out down behind, go string you up over the ceiling.
Doesn't sound good at all.
What
That doesn't sound good. Oh my God, it's the floor. He had very red blood, like blood red eyes.
Come on, friends!
Oh,
Come
gosh.
in with
He
it!
threw a big barrel to
I
it.
don't need new corpses!
Oh,
I'm not
God.
volunteering.
They're all trying to do something. They're trying! Whoa! Or what?
I don't know. I couldn't make it happen.
The hangman!
I brought new toys!
That dog does not look
Oh
well.
my. What is that thing?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
This is really detailed down
Wow.
here.
There's more smells here. Oh gosh, he wants
Whoa.
out. Is he? Did you just smell me?
You want that one? She smells right.
No, don't tell him that. No. That sounds so disgusting. Yeah. Ow. You guys, I think we'll come back later. Oh,
Please
God.
God, let my family meet you!
They drained them all of blood and everything.
Yes, they did.
His family? Mm-mm. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, no.
This is crazy.
Frickin'
Like a
eggs in
spider
here.
room or
Spidey's.
something. Ah, I don't like it.
Those are big
I
eggs.
don't like it at all.
Oh, what is wrong with them?
No.
Let me guess, arachnophobia, correct? No! She is the fear of spiders.
No.
But why?
Because
Because they're naked freaks is what you call them. I call them little eight-legged
Oh
friends.
my
oh
goodness.
no, that ain't little.
I do not like
It is
that.
not little.
No, it is not little. I don't like
That's
it.
so gross.
I want you to say specifically. They would love you.
No.
I am not.
With the fear.
I'm not. No.
Oh, come on.
No. Is he like an arachnophobian doctor? Is that real or not?
I don't know. That thing is massive. Yes, it's real.
Is it?
Holy
Oh
crap.
shit.
Oh,
He's big. He's a big one. Has stalactite in it. He's a big one. Stalagmite. I don't know.
No way!
You gotta stay in there. Oh, now we're in here. was good timing.
That was
he
good
can get
timing.
Wow. Thank you, sir,
Wow.
for your service.
Back upstairs.
Oh, that guy did not fare well at all.
He got real quiet. Yeah, I don't think he made it.
You get your little bitty dipper! Abigail, can we Abigail? You get your little bitty dipper! Don't listen to Abigail, she's crazy!
Don't listen to Abigail.
He keeps us
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh.
I missed you, Jack!
You can't have them.
Oh, what are you doing? You at all?
Aw, what are you doing there? It's a guy's head.
I'll be the one wiping your ass.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
Holy cow.
That is pretty
That was
crazy.
I don't think they made it.
Wow.
Well, I love when they chop off the heads.
Oh God, don't do
Usually
that.
my kind, we eat the heads afterwards, so it's a sign of respect.
I think that
Oh,
moved.
look at the way she
I don't know.
moves. Oh my goodness.
I love the long hair. It reminds me of spaghetti noodles.
Oh shoot.
Oh shoot, we're in a kid's
Oh listen.
room.
Oh my God, there's like 3D sound in here. Did you hear
Oh
it?
my goodness.
Whoa.
What did you do?
We didn't do it.
No.
That lady back there did it.
You did it.
What did we do? That one's decapitated.
Did it?
You killed her.
I don't know.
I'm gonna force your throat out to you! How does that sound?
That's great.
So listen to Abigail, she's crazy!
Oh.
Whoa, that's not good.
That's not good at all.
I don't think
Not
she's
good
okay.
at all.
Don't watch the
Fell
door.
off the bed.
Yeah.
No.
Watch out.
Into your rifle! Request encryption! Scramble your brain! And pull your eye out! And then get you in it!
No. Oh my God. Is he
Oh my
okay?
gosh.
Oh, that was cool. This is check. Man, ooh, she's got some good-looking veins.
Wow.
That's a big old security camera.
Disappeared.
That is a big old security camera.
Oh my. Something popped out back here.
Oh, that looks comfortable.
Whoa. Why?
Yeah, you're you. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Alrighty then. Do you do that at parties? Oh God. Oh, what is that?
What is that?
Whoa! No firing. Wow. That is quite a contraption. Holy cow.
Oh my
What is that
goodness.
thing?
Hey, you need a hand.
Oh,
Or maybe two. You ain't got to
Oh my goodness.
so much blood in there. Wow. Holy cow.
There was a lot of blood in here.
Oh gosh. Oh God, no!
I think she lost it.
Oh my goodness.
She got a 2x4. Oh, look at their different brains. What in the world?
What is going on?
Can I scalp you? When your scalp is a vegan steak? You're not even vegan. You're gay.
Oh shit. Oh shit. What in the world are you? Oh God.
Say hi, Porky!
He's got two
Say hi,
faces.
Porky! Say hi, Porky!
I'm Porky Pigs. I think that's what
All
it
the
says.
piggings in the world, but I'm craving liver.
Oh Jesus. What
Oh
happened
my
to your
goodness.
That's
No, don't trust
Ew.
it. Don't trust it.
Butcher. I don't know.
Nope.
I didn't know he was in there. Oh shit, they're in here selling skin.
Shit.
I got the wrong thing!
I didn't do it. Oh my God.
Oh.
That is. Oh, and there's an audience.
My.
There's even. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
You're done for.
Yeah, you're done.
No, there's no helping you.
It's
I don't think I'm supposed to go there.
You're mean.
It's over.
Oh, Sparkies. Sparkies. Oh my God.
You better leave your hands off of my girlfriend!
Girlfriend, where is she? Right there?
Nora!
That's your girlfriend.
Oh, good God.
Wanna see a magic trick?
Yes.
I don't like this.
Okay.
He's gonna teleport again.
He's gonna.
That's where my toys come from here.
There's a magic trick.
There he is again.
I need one. Yes. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Stairs.
Oh, more stairs.
She didn't make it.
Darlings, I've been waiting for you.
Oh, shit. Oh, hell. Oh.
Okay.
That is a really big deer. Is that even a deer? Maybe it's an elk.
I think that's an elk for sure.
What
Okay.
is this?
It's like a,
Jungle?
Well,
I don't
Somebody
know.
saw you? We're over in the bushes.
But there's just one thing
step.
as you walk past this bridge, you're gonna have
Bridge?
to give me something.
Oh,
So either I need a lock of your hair, a drop of your blood, or maybe some of your skin.
skin.
There's just one thing.
Oh, some
I'm
in our
gonna pass
face.
on donating.
Her eyes were awesome.
I know.
Cave or something? I don't know.
There's
I
souls.
might start off with maybe a shovel.
Oh my goodness.
Did you hear her? She said she's gonna start off with a shovel, and then they came out. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Somebody's blood. Oh my goodness.
Hell no.
Oh! I think that was the shovel.
That's his blood.
Yes, it is. Well, or his, maybe. I don't know. Oh my God! Yes, you.
I don't think it. The one-way conversation.
He just wants to have a conversation. Oh my God! Wow, that was awesome. Yeah. Yeah.
I think we made it.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah.
Oh man.
She even tried to warn us. Come on.
MOD.
I know, yeah.
I like his tie.
All right, guys, that was it for Hellscream Haunted House here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. We absolutely loved it. If this is your first time watching, we are The Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to see the full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We are going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.